Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are zooming out on the entire security category, one of the 6 category scores that make up a project's overall rating. This is arguably the most critical category of all, because in crypto, if security fails, nothing else matters. So the security score combines everything we need to get the most complete security assessment possible for any crypto project. We have there the smart contract security through DeFi, comprehensive project security through Skynet, code, operation, governance, market, community and fundamentals, audit and accountability through Certic, bug bounty presence, GitHub development history, defensive characteristics through the Mustyl score, order book protection through the order minus 2% of a market cap, and exchange credibility through Kraken, Coinbase and Binance pairs. Each of these brings a different perspective on security, from the code level to the operational level to the market structure level. Of course, a high security score means the project has been audited, verified, and tested across multiple dimensions. The code is secure, the operations are resilient, the exchanges are reputable, the community is healthy, and the market structure provides protection. You can invest with more confidence, even though there is never zero risk. At the contrary, a low security score means there are gaps. Maybe the code hasn't been audited, maybe there is no bug bounty, maybe the project isn't listed on any major exchanges, maybe the defensive characteristics are weak. Each gap represents a risk, and the more gaps there are, the higher the overall risk. As you can see on the main dashboard, you can filter through the security category. You can sort all 7,500 plus projects by their security score, from highest to lowest to find the most secure project in the market, or lowest to highest to understand where the biggest risks are hiding. This sort alone can save you from making costly mistakes. And CryptoScores gives you filters to get precise. When you click on filters over there, you go through, scroll down to security, and you will have the different category that you can sort all the project. You can filter by security score percentage, only show projects above a certain threshold, and you can combine it with other category filters, say maybe security score above 70% and community score above 60%, and you are building a short list of projects that are both secure and socially strong. So make the security score your first checkpoint before you look at the narrative, before you check the projection, before you get excited about the community. Check the security score. A project with an incredible story but a terrible security score is a ticking time bomb. A project with a strong security score gives you a foundation you can trust. And as always, the score is your starting point. Click through to DeFi, Certic, Skynet, GitHub, verify the details yourself. You are the analyst. The tools are there to help you make informed decisions. So the security score, the most important score you will check before investing. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.